Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by, I really do appreciate it. So in today's video we're going to be doing some swatches on the beautiful Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I have done them, but I don't know where that video has gone, so we're just gonna quickly do them again. So it looks like that. Now, some people might not like this palette just purely because you're only getting 2 shimmers, but I have seen some looks with it and you can do some beautiful looks. Normally, like, it's a little bit too warm tone for me. This palette probably about a year ago would have been a little bit too warm tone for me. The only shade that I can't see myself wearing is this red one, just purely because I don't wear them kind of shades. All the other shades look really, really pretty. So let's head over to the vanity and do these swatches. Okay, so it just comes in the normal Huda Beauty Obsessions packaging. There's 9 eyeshadows. There is, where's the grams on this product? How very bizarre. It normally tells you how much product is in it. I'll see if I can get that information off the, oh wait, so the net weight of it is 9 times 1.1 gram or 9 times 0.04 ounces. So, I mean, I don't think I'd ever go through an eyeshadow like this unless it was a main palette of mine. Just purely because I've got so many palettes in my collection, I just can't see myself going through, unless I'm focusing on one particular eyeshadow for Project Pan. I just can't see myself going through my palettes. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So we're going to swatch across and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I've done this before. I mean, that is beautiful. I've done this before, this actual swatch video, but like I said, I can't find the footage. Look how reflective that is. Right, then we're going into this scary one, this red. Oh, that's super smooth though. So this shade here is the outer V shade that I would use. Then we've got this shade here. I would say it's a terracotta. That one. So that's the first row done, and then the middle row is just full of mattes. Oh yeah, that's real pretty. These are super smooth. Just pulled the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk for a short my stash. I hope they're as smooth as this. So that one's more of a transition shade for me. Then we've got a slightly deeper one. Very pretty. Then we've got a really nice bright yellow. That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't look that bright on the swatch, but yeah, that's really pretty. And then we've got kind of a peachy tone. Peachy coral. And then we've got one last shimmer, which is the best shimmer in the palette. I said this last time and I'll say it again now. It's just so pretty. It's a peach coral shade. It's got undertones of orange running through it. Just look at that. Let's do another swatch. Just look at that. That is super pretty. All those eyeshadows are up my street apart from this one. So cover that one up, and I've got 8 eyeshadows that I'll probably use regularly. It's a really nice, pretty warm toned eyeshadow palette. If you have this palette, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Okay guys, so that concludes the video on this lovely Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions. If you have this palette, let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear them. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and welcome you into our crazy little fam. And I will see you in my next one guys. Bye.